By the end of this tour, we'll be fast friends. We're gonna eat, we're gonna talk about the history of the places, and we're gonna tell this tale through the food. So we have 8 tastings all together. It adds up to a definite meal when you're finished. So our food tours are about neighborhood, seeing the best of the best, the hidden gems. This neighborhood is called the Original Greenwich Village Food Tour because it is the first one that started our company. Some of these food places have amazing histories, including Murray's Cheese, which is gonna be our first stop. We're gonna walk right through this door. You can try anything you want. If you don't know what you're looking for, they will help you. They are some seriously educated cheesemongers behind that counter. I think it's time for some mac and cheese, but I can talk some more while we eat that. So the pasta, you see how it looks like a little radiator? And it's meant to hold all the good sauce, whatever it is. In this case, a really good cheese sauce, which has some mozzarella. It also has cheddar. But then it has a 3 cheese secret blend. They will not tell me the secret blend. They take that shredded cheese and they put it into a gourmet cheese sauce. And that's really what finished off. Really complex blend. Our next stop is going to be Tacombi, amazing taqueria. The staff here is the nicest staff in the world. They're so good to us. I love these guys. This is one of my favorites and got voted one of the best fish tacos in the city. They have a beef birria taco with a consomme on the side that you can dip your taco into. We're gonna talk a little bit about history. Follow me across the street. So, I don't know if you noticed, but number 23 is very popular. Now, we as a company have always talked about the history of this building. This building was built as a carriage house and a stable in the early 1900s. So the reason so many people come to take pictures this year is a very famous person lived here. And that person was Taylor Swift. She only lived here 6 months. She has a song called Cornelia Street, which is why everyone comes here to the house. We're gonna keep walking because we've got more food to taste and people to see. If we come over here, you will see the Faico's family. This is an Italian specialty shop. They make 7 kinds of fresh sausages daily. We're gonna have one of those today. It's called soprasada. And then we're gonna have another Italian specialty. What we're gonna try is arancini, Italian rice bowl. The service here is insane. 24/7, baby.
Nice meeting you too. Food tour.
Yes.
Food tour of New York. This place is delicious.
Yeah?
This place has been here 120 years ago. Faico's specialist, the best sandwich in the city. And the rice bowl soup. Come over, baby.
Get in there.
Oh my God.
We're off to our next location. Who likes donuts? Anyone? Oh, everybody. This is Leslie. She is the owner and founder of the Donut Project, and it is women-run, all ladies here. Women-run and operated.
Can you tell us why you call it the Donut Project? Because every weekend we have a new project. So it's not like we have the same flavors every day. They're all hand done.
Incredible. They've got gluten-free, vegan, and all these amazing flavors. Because we're going to go on our little history walk. Thank you. One building that has been here for a very long time and is still here is this little tiny triangle building. It's the smallest freestanding building in Manhattan. The current occupant is a locksmith. He's something of an artist. The outside front facade of this building is entirely covered in a key mosaic that looks like Vincent van Gogh's Starry Night. There he is. That's Phil. Hi, Phil. How are you? This is the man that did all that you see here. So yeah, right here, this narrow, skinny house, 9.5 feet wide. Many famous people, believe it or not, have lived in this tiny little house. Cary Grant, the movie star, John Barrymore, stage actor, and a woman named Edna St. Vincent Millay. I want to tell you quickly about Cherry Lane Theater. Oldest off-Broadway theater in New York. It's 100 years old this year. Started by Edna St. Vincent Millay and her friends. So many famous people have worked at this theater, from F. Scott Fitzgerald, Odette, O'Neill, O'Casey, David Mamet, Sam Shepard, James Earl Jones, Gene Hackman, Vanessa Redgrave. We're headed to Raffaele, Italian place owned by a guy from Naples, Romeo. Gorgeous homemade Neapolitan food. They have an oven in there, wood-fired oven, that they brought from Naples over to here so they could make real Neapolitan pizza and cook all their food in it. The mushroom pizza. Mushrooms, fontina, cheese, and truffle oil. Well, listen, this is the end of our time together, but if anyone has any other questions, needs tips or advice, I'm happy to answer any questions. Thanks, you guys, for coming. Please come back and see us. Oh, it's like...
But I remember what she said. No. I'm in New York.
I love this. This is why we go overtime, though, because we have such a